सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा was spotted recently at a promotional event, लेकिन ये एसोसिएशन कुछ अलग ही नजर आया। वो इसलिए था क्योंकि promoting Taiwan tourism was something no one expected. But as a good brand ambassador, Siddharth Malhotra sat through the whole presentation.
Interesting destination. I think for me to go, they have a great cycling culture, as she says. Everybody cycles there, and they have a cool small bike that they make. So I think it'll be fun to go and check that place out.
Absolutely. But you like traveling a lot. That there are people बहुत पसंद होता है जाते हैं travel करते हैं. They just take off after they are done with their work. So you like traveling a lot. You're one of those.
I do. I personally do like. When I was younger, we used to travel within, up north. Delhi के आसपास बहुत जगह है that you can go and travel, and so very hill stations, and I think so they're very exciting. Now recently I get less and less time, so it's actually you have to really make effort to make that trip. You can't just take off as we used to when you were young, so it becomes tougher and tougher. Hopefully I don't give into all these schedules and break and sometimes take some break and bunk my shoots and stuff for 3 days, 5 days and go to places. I would like to, hopefully. And you can just make excuses because you have to. I think it's very relaxing and very important. It also helps us as actors to become aware of what is happening outside. We can't keep living in one bubble, one city.
Absolutely.
You pick up so much when you travel to a place, be it food, culture, their customs.
Learning about that place.
Languages. Every place has stories. So yeah, hopefully I will take a break and travel. Maybe next destination will be Taiwan.
लेकिन जब सिद्धार्थ की फिल्मों की बात हुई, तब तक ही stuck to the destination.
एक विलन के बाद विदेश ने तो बैंगचोर ले ली है विलन के तौर पे। आप क्या कर रहे हो?
अभी आगे काफ़ी पिक्चरें कर रहे हैं, वो बताऊंगा आपको आज। जैसे कि कह रहे हैं कि मैं एमा के लिए और ताइवानी प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए यहाँ पे हूँ, तो उसके बारे में सवाल रखते हैं तो बेहतर है।
लगता है जैसे सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा पर एक विलन की प्रमोशन की थकान अब तक है। That's why यहाँ पर सिर्फ ब्रांड के अलावा सिद्धार्थ अपनी फिल्मों से जुड़ी कोई भी बात करने को राजी नहीं दिखाई दे रहे थे। Well, Siddharth, we understand कि आप यहाँ पर as brand ambassador आए हैं, लेकिन not talking about your films, well, ये बात कुछ हजम नहीं हुई। For Alika Srivastava, Zoom, Mumbai।